technology is consistently increasingly developing. New technology is essential to a marketing campaign, as a wider range of consumers can be addressed with an increase of newly developed media platforms which branch from innovative technology. I have used a range of technologies during this project, in order to achieve thorough research, planning, construction and evaluation. The use of diverse technologies was important to me, as it allowed me to accurately analyze, manipulate, edit and creatively media package for the unknown. Blogger acted as a personally generated platform that allowed me to share ideas, work and development with other followers. Publishing my posts, I was enabled to clearly observe my progress of my media package creation. The website acted as a journal allowing multiple users view the stages of my creation. Also it played a part of a virtual brainstorm. It allowed me to post ideas and other Blogger users can comment on posts, which was a great way of see whether my ideas was good or not. Prezi, SlideShare and SlideRocket were consistent tools throughout every stage of my production process. Prezi gave me the opportunity to presenting my ideas, in a digital and interactive manner that represented the theme of my entire production package. I was able to research and planning with ease using digital texts that interacts with audiences. Furthermore, this presentation tool was beneficial to me as a media student because it facilitates a creative and interesting approach for me to showcase my work without making a film or including large amounts of text. I gave a more attractive way to present my research as Prezi allowed me to share videos or other posts from a range of different media platforms. SlideShare and SlideRocket enable me to a similar thing as Prezi. It was used as a planning and researching tool. Both SlideShare and SlideRocket are tools that allow me to create and share documents or images in a presentation format. This gives my post a more professional edge to it, creating simple-looking posts that can harbor a large quantity of information. 3. Windows Movie Maker was a simple and effective tool to use when creating short videos and animating sets of pictures, animatic. The program allowed me to modify effects, sounds and transitions. By using it, I was able to increase my knowledge of editing, allowed me to develop skills, and that experience could be utilized when editing my film trailer on a more complex program that I will be using. YouTube as a primary element is the recent formation of Web 2.0, and it is based around people. Two of the most important concepts during the production process are research and feedback for improvements, and these areas depend on people, the target audience's opinions. Therefore, at both of these stages YouTube was an ideal platform for me because it allowed me to view existing products for market research and later allowed me to upload my videos and trailer for feedback. To help create my trailer, the most essential technologies I used in that particular stage of production was the Sony Handycam video camera. This allowed me to use the filmmaking skills I learnt and apply them to create my trailer. Skills such as knowing which camera shots and angle would be most effective and appropriate to use, and having understanding of the importance of mise-en-scene in each frame and its location. This knowledge needed to be applied with patience, as shots would commonly be reshot, discussed and retaken during the whole film shoot. The camera had a number of different settings to as such a night vision, which played a big part when filming in the dark. Also used this camera, it allowed me to get the gritty and realism effect that I wanted, other than the traditional, conventional of a finished polished effect. This enabled me to challenge the conventions, to portray my vision of narrative and the genre of horror. Photoshop was a highly professional tool which allowed me to effectively illustrate the images I had in mind by editing images and typefaces for my poster and magazine cover. I did this through altering levels of brightness and contrast, creating shadows, adding a range of effects, cutting the image, adding text, burning details into the image and adding or repositioning components to generate a more effective and conventional layout, therefore aiding me in achieving to create two professional products. Adobe Premiere Pro was the program on which Bludgeoned Films' The Unknown trailer was edited in the forms of rendering, allowing me to manipulate the lighting and adjusting the pace of the trailer by cutting the length of shots. Also, Premiere Pro aided our editing through allowing us to add intertitles, and add transition effects between shots, for example establishing shot of a house faded to become a mid-shot of the protagonist. Adobe Premiere was successful in portraying the creation had in mind for the trailer. Knowledge and experience my group and I had gathered from previous editing suites such as Windows Movie Maker, supported us and allowed us to apply those skills and develop new experiences from Premiere Pro, to ultimately produce a professional trailer that successfully reflected our creativity. Adobe After Effects is the program I used to create my motion moving intertitles for my trailer The Unknown. It allowed me to create the effect I want to make the lettering of the intertitle stand out. This program proved very useful and beneficial to the final creation of my trailer. I was able to easily transfer my created intertitles to Premiere Pro with ease, which allowed me to continue editing my trailer without any disturbance or problems. Concluding that the program was highly effective in the making of my trailer but creating a movie professional appeal to it.